Today we'll be doing a 2009 Honda Civic Alternator. It's a Honda EX. First, we remove the battery. Then you have a 3/4 spanner and a 7/8 to pull the tensioner. Where is it? Right here. Put it here. This is how to release the belt. Go. Alright, put it. And then you go like this, and the belt come up loose. Go like that. Take it off. Then you remove this clip here. Move the guard. This. It's tight. Go. And you squeeze this clip together and it'll come loose. Really tight. Alright, finally got it off. Next we remove this and bolt. You go. Next, you have 12 bolt that you remove. One here, as you can see it, here, right there, and one on the bottom, right here. Alright. Start coming loose. Gotta go one more down here. Loose. Start coming up and she come loose apart. And rock it out. Alright. Here it comes. So that's how you take out the alternator and undo what you did.